A criminal record can make it hard to get a job or a good place to rent. Will you be able to get the case off your record? Depending on the case, the answer might be yes. This video explains what's called criminal expungement. Expungement means erased or hidden from view. The expungement process is how the court can seal your record so the public can't see it. This means that employers or landlords won't see it when they do a background check on you. How do you ask for an expungement? The rules are different depending on the kind of case, how old the case is, and how it turned out. If you have more than one case on your record, you have to file separate papers for each one you want to expunge. Here are some of the basic rules. First, if your case was dismissed or you won at trial and were found not guilty, you can get that case expunged. Second, if you finished a diversion program or a stay of adjudication, the case can be expunged if you haven't been charged with another crime for at least 1 year since you finished the diversion program or stay. Third, if you were convicted or had a stayed sentence, there is a waiting period. The waiting period starts when your probation was discharged. If you get new charges during the waiting period, it restarts. Here are the waiting periods. For petty misdemeanors and misdemeanors, the waiting period is 2 years. For gross misdemeanors, the waiting period is 4 years. Only certain kinds of felonies can be expunged. For those felonies, the waiting period is 5 years. You may also be able to get an expungement for juvenile cases and for first-time drug possession cases. How do you apply for an expungement? It is a very complicated process. You need to walk through certain steps of getting papers from government offices and sending them to the right places. We have a one-page paper that explains this process called the 5 Steps of Expungements. There are lawyers who can help you sort through this for free. Learn more at lawhelpmn.org.